uGeneral Sibiya uNational Commissioner ubuzwe ngecala lakaSenzo Meyiwa ukuthi waya yini kwi-crime scene. Bambuza ngeproperty yakhe worth 2 million ukuthi yakhokhelwa uMatlala yini, wathi akazi. Bambuza nge-security clearance ukuthi wayiphasa yini, wathi kwangaphoqelekile ukuthi ayiphase. Ezinye izinto lezi engizokhuluma ngazo la kule video. Sisekuyon ad hoc committee izola ngibe neprivilege ukuthi ngilalele umnumzane uGeneral Sibiya, Shadrack Sibiya, National Deputy Commissioner eSouth Africa kwi-intelligence. So he's one of the highest guys when it comes to intelligence eSouth Africa, umnumzane uShadrack Sibiya. So imbuzo embalwa engizofocus kuyona ile ye-national security clearance number 1. Ubuza ukuthi wayiphasa yini, because i-security clearance le yayikade idingakala kuzoba ezinye zezinto ezom-awada i-position ethile ephezulu. Kodwa umbuzo wakhe uthe, impendulo yakhe ithe kwangaphoqelekile ukuthi ayiphase. Number 1. Waphinda wabuza okwesibili wayiphasa yini security clearance. Wathi kwangaphoqelekile ukuthi aphase, wabhala nje lokho akubhala. Sikhuluma ngomuntu okwi-highest authority kwi-intelligence eSouth Africa. Uthi i-security clearance yakhe wabhala nje ayebona ukuthi fanele akubhale ngoba wangaphoqelekile ukuthi akuphase. Bambuza okwesithathu, wayiphasa yini i-security clearance? Wathi hayi, kwaba negative. Bambuza okwesi-4, wayiphasa yini i-security clearance? Kwayimanxa iphendula ukuthi wayifeyile. From that instance ngiyibuza ukuthi esayijunior efika kwi-policing, ngiyakuthemba ukuthi waba nethuba lokujaha igebengu eyibophe eyena zenkantolo nedocket eproduce ubufakazi and then testify as a witness yenkantolo njenganomuntu obengumphenyi wecala. So uma ngabe kuthiwa kwakwenza lokho, wamaka ngaphambi kwenkantolo epresent ubufakazi, mangaki lawo amacala ewaba khona i-conviction kuwona? Mangaki lawo macala kwaba khona i-conviction wona ekwenziwa i-appeal kuwona kwatholakala ukuthi they were falsely accused? Why ngisho njalo? It's because lasikhuluma ngomuntu okwi-highest position kwi-international intelligence or commission, deputy commissioner. But i-level yakhe ye-intelligent, in my opinion, bafowethu akumeshi kune-gap. Between i-position yakhe ne-intelligence yakhe kune-gap. I-observation yami leyo engiyidrawe kade ihlatshwa ngimbuzo lapha. Ubuza ukuthi une-property eworth u-2 million noma yapurchaswa ngo-2 million. Wabuza ukuthi ngabe umnumzane uKhethi Matlala yini owapurchasa noma owathenga leyo property? Wathi akazi. Bambuza futhi, ngabe uKhethi Matlala yini owathenga i-property? Wathi i-bank elenza indaba yama-finances, so akanalwazi ukuthi yathenga ubani. Okay bafowethu, umuntu oku-intelligence loyo ongenandaba nokuthi i-property ahlala kuyona yakhokhelwa ubani, which is very concerning. Enye into ayivezile ukuthi e-ofisini lakhe i-order yokusebenza ukuthi anyone okhona e-ofisini lakhe can write email and give ama-orders to kubantu aba-higher than them ngokwe-rank, just because by virtue of working in his office bane-right yokudirector abantu aba-higher than them in terms of ranking. And he says akudingakala ukuthi kuze kube khona i-signature yakhe for that. As long as iphume e-ofisini lakhe, they know ukuthi it's his work, which concerned me, because let's say I happen to be in the same office and access the system by some means, and then type this email and give a certain directive to certain policies, and give it directing kumaphoyisa athile, angisiyeke isingisi. Kushuthi amaphoyisa kufanele ithathe leyo instruction njobe injalo as if inikezwe uyena, but on the contrary leyo directive eqhamuka kuyena. I happen to be in the office and give that leyo directive. So amaphoyisa afanele which to me bekuyi level of incompetence ekwenye i-level. So mhlambe njengoba kuthiwa i-MK Party imvulela icala ngey'nsolo ezavela kwinkulumo yenziwa umnumzane uMkhwanazi, mhlambe isi-advice yami ukuthi umnumzane uShadrack Isibeka ahamba othola uqoqo lommeli because uyamdinga kakhulu. Ubuzwe ukuthi wayekhona yini wayena kwi-crime scene yecala likaSenzo Meyiwa. So umbuzo la wayena kwi-crime scene yecala likaSenzo Meyiwa mhla ebulawa, it's either waya or zange uye. But what he says, he gives the story is that, oh, I got the call by 11:30 and uSenzo wayeshaywe ngabo 7:30, and then I went to the hospital. Nakhona hospital angenanga ngoba kugcwele, kodwa ngambona yena ngaphakathi egunjini elembedeni. From lapho kwasho ukuthi ngabuza kubantu ukuthi kwenzekeni, bachaza. From lapho sahamba back saye Vosloorus kuwa Kelly Khumalo, nakhona safika kugcwele umphakathi futhi ne-crime scene ayisikliniwe. Kudla iguma egcineni wavuma waya kwi-crime scene. Well, bafuthi angazi ngisebenza emaphoyiseni mina, kodwa uma ngabe kuthiwa there's a crime scene, I believe the first thing you do is to go to the crime scene. First thing you do is to go to the crime scene and try and find as much information as possible ongayithola from a crime scene and assist abantu abavela abakhona kwi-crime scene lokho nje uqoqa yonke into abangayidinga for leyo case leyo, ukwenza sure ukuthi i-case is solid and is presentable before the court of law after they have collected ubufakazi enough for i-conviction. But isikhululeko ukuthi umnumzana aphendule ukuthi waya kwi-crime scene uvele wagudla iguma. So bafowethu kune-gap phakathi komnumzana uSibiya ne-position I-occupyayo. I'm very, very worried ngabantu abareporta kuyena, because kumina indlela ayiphathe ngayo kwi-committee ivela sengazi ukuthi i-competence yakhe kwi-level ephansi kakhulu. Yonke engiyifundile leyo as bemhlaba ngembuzo lapha ukuthi i-level incompetence iphezulu kuyena. So kungenzeka ukuthi ayikho phezulu, kodwa i-strategy as-applyile before i-committee ukuthi uzo-avert imibuzo ayibuzwayo, agudle iguma and azame ngawonke amandla ukuthi eminye imibuzo akayiphenduli. Kumina engekona neze ukuhlakanipha as umuntu oyi-head of intelligence, ngoba unecala eliphendayo already ngantolo eliphathelene nazo lezi zinto ahlatshwe ngazo imibuzo. Ekuzona uma bese kwenzeka before the court of law sekuvezwa ubufakazi maqondana nezinto ayiphikile, mase kuba khona i-problem. Mhlambe kuqala bekufanele acabange i-position yakhe ukuthi i-position yakhe uyini and how to represent himself kule position akuyona before aye kuleya committee leya. Mhlambe futhi uma ngabe bekwenzeka bekufanele i-legal team yakhe im-advise ukuthi anqabe ukuyovela phambi kwe-committee, because kuyadabukisa bafowethu, kuyadabukisa uma kuwukuthi kanti kwi-intelligent eSouth Africa emaphoyiseni abantu abaphethe i-level of thinking ne-capacity yabo ye-intelligence ikuleya level. Kuyathusa kakhulu bafowethu. Uthe uMkhwanazi uqamba amanga ukuthi kunomshini thizeni awuthenga ospayayo, kodwa ekuphikeni kwakhe leyo nto uthe bane-system ne-IT team ekhona to make sure that they track okay, basically uvumile ukuthi wawuthenga umshini, kodwa futhi uthe uMkhwanazi uqamba amanga ukuthi kwathenga umshini, kodwa mulandela impendulo yakhe ubevuma ukuthi wawuthenga umshini, kodwa at the same time futhi ubezama ukuphika. Umuntu ke leyo head of intelligence eSouth Africa. So